Hi, this is my home page, and when I click on the superhero like Iron Man, see the list of Iron Man here, like the Iron Man. When I click on the favorite tab, and then I will go to the favorites page, and there will be a list of favorite superheroes there. Once I click this image and title and the delete button, once I click delete button, Iron Man will delete it from there. Then I go to the home page again, and on clicking the Iron Man, for example, when I click on the Iron Man, I will see the details of the Iron Man, like the image, name, description, comics, events, and series and stories. Okay, this is my UI so far. And then coming to the code, uh, in the index.html in the home page, I've created the header section there with class header, and then there is nav link for nav logo, for which contains the logo, and then there is a nav link which contains the home page and favorites page. Then there is section class called class home with class home banner, in which I pass the input field, search your favorite superhero, and give the heading H1 ID for superhero heading, which has list of superheroes. Then coming to JavaScript file, there is public key. I create the hash function there and initially call the superheroes function here, fetch hunter heroes with, and the search value is empty. Once I click and then there is URL which I pass timestamp, hash, and limit 100. If search exists, then URL will be penned with name start with equal search. Then in try catch block, I get the response from the URL and then save it in data, and then clear the inner HTML using result.inner HTML. Then traverse the array, output array, and on clicking of button tag, I store the value in the local storage, and then append to new div all the image and anchored and the h2 tag, and then to new div I append the button tag also. Then to div element I append the new div, and to result I append the div element. On clicking input field, if some value is entered, I call this filter superhero, and fetch in the fetch hunter hero pass the search result. Now coming to favorites page, the favorite or HTML, the I've created the header, similarly header and the nav logo. It is similar to the index.html, and then there's two links: homepage, favorite page, and then there's section home inner, in which I pass OL tag, and then favorites page. In this, I get the value from the local storage by call when I call show favorites, and then I parse to the superhero parsed the JSON dot parse using JSON dot parse the value of superhero, and then traverse the superhero parsed, and then to that I attach to the list element image tag, all the attributes and image tag, and then to uh, and then on the button tag, I when I click on the delete button, it should delete from the local storage as well as from the UI, and then I call the show favorites again. Now coming to the superhero details page, uh, there is a header is same, and then there is section tag in which I pass div id equal show superhero details, in which all the details of superhero will show. To that, uh, initially like get superhero details will be called, and I will get the ID from the params using new URL search params, and then save it into ID params dot using param dot get ID, and then the URL I pass the ID and public key, hash timestamp, hash limit of 100. And then when I get the response and I save that response data, and then traverse the array, and to the div element append the h tag 1 and h tag 2, and also if there is item exists and item.comics exists, then only I will pass in save the value item in comics. Mm. And then in the end I will append to div element. Thank you.